Hey, you guys. Which one of these shirts do you think I should wear tomorrow?
To where?
Prison.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Henry and Putnam. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Henry County, eastern Putnam County, and west central Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with strong rotation near Bandora, or 5 miles southeast of Ottawa, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the path of the severe storm include Lutzik, Deschler. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gilboa, West Lutzik, Prentice, and Belmore.